here's my old laptop computer. Got the hole right there. Here's the center. You can see it clearly went right through there, right through the keyboard, and back out the other side. You guys remember this one? My Henry AR7. It's kind of breaks down into the stock here. I first showed you guys this one on a video where I thought maybe the government thought I was a terrorist because they wouldn't let me have it right away. Even though it's like a rifle, it's not a handgun. They made me wait forever, and then I finally got it. I want to see if this one goes through the laptop as well. And I'll start with the screen first, see if it goes through. It's only a little 22, so I really don't know. But let's find out. I saw some dirt kick up behind it. Let's see. Yep, a lot more holes going through there. And I'm going to try it through the whole entire thing. Alright, here we go. Alright, so before there was one hole in the back. Look at there. Totally different. Let's open it up. Alright, here we go. So there's the front. Bunch of holes. If you're wondering, Spirit was the name of the old ghost hunting group that I used to have for like a little side business. No money involved, of course. But let's see what the screen looks like. Oh, lordy. That's what you call FUBAR. So if you're curious if a laptop computer will protect you from a 22, Magic 8 Ball says no. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give me a like and a thumbs up. And let me know what else you want me to try and do out here. You know, I am the try new stuff guy. So, peace out.